In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the clutch in your Whirlpool-built washer. So I brought our motor and transmission assembly up onto a table just so we can see it a little better. To remove the clutch, it's pretty easy. We're just going to slide this collar up off the transmission shaft. And on yours, you may find that there's also a little thin washer. Not all of them have that. If yours does have it, then by all means keep a hold of it. And we'll just set that to one side. Now with that big washer out of the way, the next thing we want to do is remove this clip. And you just need a blade screwdriver, insert it into that slot, and then just give it a little pry. And that allows you to remove that clip. And that clip is basically hiding a little ring clip. And that needs to be released. So it locks into the clutch and it goes around and ends right about here. So we're just going to take our blade screwdriver and pop it in underneath that clip. And just lift upwards and work our way around. There, it unsnapped and allows us to remove it. It's just a matter of getting it lined up right so it pops out of that hole. You slide that off. And now your clutch is ready to come off your transmission. Just give it a little wiggle and it lifts right off. You'll see this little plastic piece? Sometimes that comes right off with the clutch. Sometimes it stays on the transmission. Either way, you just slide that right off. And that's how easy it is to remove your clutch.